Good day everyone, I'm Jogi Christopher Ambos and on behalf of my groupmates Bernardo Velasco, Philip Jan Agustin, and Ariel Putal, I will be presenting to you our product Fingernite. But before we start discussing Fingernite, we all know that because of COVID-19, a lot of people nowadays had lost their jobs. That's why, because of the cocooning trend where Filipinos prefer to stay at the comfort of their homes, it also increases the demand for online shopping and grocery. Because of this cocooning trend, it fuels the demand for motorcycles as a delivery transport option. It is true that people feel safer at their homes during this pandemic, but what about the safety of the motorcycles when you leave it unattended to do your job or daily routines? That's why in Fingernite, we had this catchphrase, return with ease, because you will no longer be worried about leaving your valued motorcycles behind. The name of our product, Fingernite, comes from the combination of the word fingerprint and ignite. In other words, our product is a fingerprint ignition built for motorcycles. It is true that fingerprints are basically unique, where up till now, there is no any two fingerprints matched together are found, that even an identical twin, the fingerprints are not the same. That's why in our history, we use fingerprint to identify criminals. But now, we are going to use fingerprint to protect our motorcycles. Fingernite proposed system is designed such that there is no need for any keys, where we are proposing security system where it is totally based on fingerprint-enabled keyless motorcycle authentication system. Fingernite technology allows access to only those whose fingerprints that are pre-stored in the memory. It can only be opened when an authorized user is present, since there are no keys or combinations to be copied or stolen or locks that can be picked. This is the actual prototype of our Fingernite product, which we continuously improve and make it sellable to the market, especially for all of the motorcycle owners. We all know that many expensive motorcycles nowadays already have a keyless motorcycle authentication system. But what about the people who can only afford cheaper motorcycles because of their social status? How can they protect their valued motorcycles? That's where our Fingernite product comes out, because our fingerprint authentication system can be applied or installed to all types of motorcycles, even the cheapest motorcycles available in the market. We should keep in mind that any motorcycles, no matter what price it is, it can be stolen from you. In our SWOT analysis, Fingernite product strengths are composed of the uniqueness of our product, which is not available yet in the market. Our product is very affordable to all motorcycle owners because of its low price. Our product is applicable to all, even to the cheapest model. As our weakness, we found out that there is a high startup cost of opening a shop which require investments and loans. The quality of the product depends on suppliers and we are still lacking reputation. As our opportunities, because of the cocooning trend during the pandemic, there is an increasing demand for motorcycles for delivery firms, and also through the use of internet, our products can be sold worldwide. As our threats, looking for skilled workers is a problem, and the fluctuations in the prices of supplies may occur. One of the properties of our Fingernite product is Arduino Uno R3, which is a microcontroller board. Programs can be loaded to it from the easy-to-use Arduino computer program. Channel relay 12 volts, which is used to control or switch devices, which uses a higher power than what most microcontrollers can handle. Fingerprint reader, which is used to obtain an image of a person's fingerprint and match for it in its database. 4-pin plug terminal, which is used as connectors to join subsections of circuits together. This is the manufacturing process of Fingernite, which started from buying of the raw materials and combining all the materials, connecting all together, and then will undergo to a quality control to be able to know if the created product is approved or rejected. If it is rejected, it will not become a waste because it will go back from the start of manufacturing process and it will undergo troubleshooting process until it will be approved, then can be finally proceed to the packaging. This is the list of our domestic suppliers of raw materials, which includes a lot of different suppliers to make sure the sustainability of our supply chain. This is the list of our foreign suppliers of our raw materials just in case our domestic suppliers will become out of stock. This is our proposed plant layout, which consists of production area, quality control, warehouse for finished goods, warehouse for raw materials, waste disposal, utility room, male and female comfort room, meeting area, general manager office, cashier, installation area, and waiting area. This is the perspective view 3D presentation of our plant layout, which shows the allocation of spaces inside the building and the different departments. This is the front view of the building with two separated entrances, one gate for the incoming raw materials that will be delivered by a truck and the other entrance for the incoming customers that will inquire or avail our products. Fingernite has a mission of becoming the world's cherished and valued product and service provider of fingerprint ignition for motorcycles. Fingernite vision is to provide the quality motorcycle security at a nominal price for average people with the use of our expertise. Fingernite Motorcycle Security aims to be engaged for the progress of the community by means of offering employment to the people of Bataan and help them earn income for their family and improve our economy. The purpose of Fingernite project, aside from providing safety for motorcycles, are to create employment, generate income to all the employees, and improve their status of living, help in the community development, and contribute taxes for our government.